All right, this is password management part 3. So now that you know that you need a big password, how do you make one that you can remember? The key is you don't have to remember, but you have to be able to look it up. So you can do the simple notebook, but the problem is if somebody grabs your notebook with the password and the username and all that stuff, then that's not very good. So what do you do? So here's a method. Look at the numbers in blue: 3, 258, 3, 2, 2, and 20. Okay. So you can write on this side your bank, bank 1, bank 2, whatever. And those numbers mean something only to you. Okay. So you can take any book you have in your library, your favorite Dune novel, Foundation by Asimov, which is a good one. Any book you want. You can say, this is book 3, page number, paragraph number, line number, the letter. In other words, you take the second letter or the first letter of every word. So in other words, that allows you to pick one single letter from a word in a book in a page that is on here, right? So that word will mean nothing. It's just a bunch of letters. You can also mix uppercase and lowercase. Maybe every other letter you do uppercase, lowercase, up to you. But the point is, even if somebody grabs that paper here, they won't know what it means, okay? And you can even lie on this. In other words, if it says 3, you actually add 1. That actually means book 4. Page number, you can add 10 in your mind, so that's 2 to 68, and so on. So that encoding here is something known only to you. So of course, don't write book, line, just write the stuff in blue, right? You don't have to follow this pattern. You can make your own. But the point is, if you do this, and 20 is the number of characters, so you can jump words. Like you can look at 20 words on the second letter of every word. So whatever mechanism you can think of similar to this will give you a very long password that is impossible to guess because it is not in the dictionary, right? So the likelihood of somebody breaking your password at that point is very low. Then you can add some funny characters at the end or at the beginning. Again, don't write them down, but in your mind you say always don't add 1, 2, 3, okay? Because that's easy to guess. Add maybe 2 characters at the end, 2 characters at the beginning that only you know about, okay? And you will have a very long password. So that's a very cheap method if you want to go pen and paper to have very good security, strong password, and you can always get them back. And the key is you don't have to remember, okay? So that's one cheap way of securing your passwords. If you don't want to do it for all the websites, at least do something like this for your banks. So it's very long and very hard to guess, okay? Next time.